Lyndsay.
Lyndsay, I spoke to you on the phone.
Nice to meet you guys. This is so cute.
My brother purchased the house many years ago, and my brother was able to rent it out right away, but he does live in Spokane, and he decided he's not going to be a long-distance landlord.
Yeah.
So
I think it's definitely a good option for a first-time home buyer, minus a few of the updates that need to happen.
Okay.
Needs a little TLC.
come on in.
Thank you. I think this is just adorable.
This is really cute.
Look at these.
I love
Wow.
these floors.
Yeah.
These are awesome.
I think you definitely could use some more light in here, and then potentially that wall between the kitchen and
Oh,
the
this, yes.
living room. If you could open this up and imagine how much more light, I mean, really, what are you losing? This is obviously a little outdated and maybe a little more masculine.
What I see here as a buyer, because we're dealing with a small space, likely a young couple.
Yeah, Kylie, she is our buyer.
Yep.
You know, a young first-time home buyer.
I look at this and I think it looks like a lot of work. It is a big deterrent.
Yeah. Let's see the next room.
This is like a little mudroom, laundry room.
Wow, this is huge.
I would not call this little. It's almost bigger than the kitchen.
I know.
It feels that way.
To have this much storage is phenomenal. I think that that's a huge selling point.
So 3 full bedrooms in this house.
3 bedrooms.
They're in good shape. They just need paint and staging. The bathroom is tight.
Yeah, the vanity dated.
Floors.
There's definitely some improvements to make in there.
Let's check out the backyard.
I do like this outside patio.
yes.
It's private.
Yeah.
It's got party lights.
This is adorable.
Fire pit.
And I love that you guys have the covered because in the Pacific Northwest, you
Yes.
have to have room to be able to live outside even when it's raining.
Hey, be cool, Robbie.
It's an experience.
Oh, I love it.
My grandparents had a van like this.
Your grandparents did?
Yes, they did.
Oh, fun. We wanted to show you a place that's really close. So it's a house that we feel is pretty similar to your brother's.
Yeah.
You see those flowers immediately.
All right.
Here we go.
This home's exterior is super cute, and we think Dean's could be too. For starters, we'd like to get rid of the enormous bush in front. We'll paint the eaves and front door, and we'll level the front yard to give it more curb appeal. Let's take a look inside.
Right. Oh, yeah.
Wow, it's very bright.
Yes.
They do have one really neutral color on the walls, but a very comparable living space.
It is. It really is.
And it flows into the kitchen.
Oh,
Oh, wow,
yeah.
that's a nice kitchen. And it's really not that big either.
No,
but
it isn't
still,
big, but
it
yet
feels
it
a lot
feels big.
bigger.
The kitchen is generally the selling point to most buyers. So in Dean's kitchen, we would take down the wall that divides the kitchen from the living area and open it all up. Update the countertops and tile to give the kitchen a more sleek look. Replace the cabinets, as well as all of the old appliances with brand spanking new ones. Let's go to the backyard.
Cool.
Okay. And they have an entertaining space as well.
Oh,
They
yes,
just did it with
okay.
a deck.
Now, this isn't a covered deck.
It's
No?
not a covered deck.
Yeah, I think the backyard of Dean's house is kind of a selling point.
We agree. An entertaining space is huge for young buyers. So in Dean's backyard, we want to move the fence to make the backyard even bigger for entertaining. Paint the trellis a bold color and add new landscaping and sod.
The house isn't selling. You currently have it listed at $375,000. There needs to be something that's changed. There's a lot that we can do that they did in this home to Dean's property.
I was thinking that we definitely would focus on the kitchen and then the bathroom, touching up all of the paint inside to keep it nice and consistent with a trending color. And I'd like to address both the front curb appeal and the backyard.
With that, we would invest of our own money about $30,000. That $30,000 would be able to bring us to a new list price of $447,000.
Wow.
Once we pay back our investment of $30,000, that still leaves a additional profit of $42,000.
Wow.
So we would split that with Dean as a risk from both sides, his and ours. So that would be $21,000 each for about 4 weeks worth of work.
I think he'd like that.
Yes.
We know today's the day that you guys are gonna start getting this place torn apart.
Yeah,
I wanted to ask.
He always looks scared when we talk to him.
I am worried. Yes, go ahead.
We were wondering if we could talk about the cabinets.
I would love to save them. Those are nice cabinets.
So my thought was, what if we repurpose them into laundry room? Because this was my thought. We'd get rid of these. You know, laundry rooms are becoming a room in the house that people want to get a little crazy, a little sexy with. And I think we could do something really cool in here.
So, bottom line, you don't want me to destroy the kitchen.
Bottom line is, when you take out the cabinets, be gentle.
Okay.
Okay, let's go get to tearing out.
Yeah.
Well, by we mean you.
Cool. Our team's working on tiling the bathroom and kitchen. And the new kitchen cabinets already make the space look so much cleaner and brighter. But unfortunately, we just got some bad news from our landscaper.
So we gotta get our head around the budget because I feel like we're gonna have to find money somewhere to be able to do the yard.
Yeah, so the quote came in higher.
Like $6,000. Yeah.
Wow.
So there has to be places to cut money.
I would still like to do the leveling of the front yard.
That's $10,000.
Really?
Yeah. What is your goal? Our buyer is going to be a younger couple moving from an apartment into their first home.
Yes, we have to have entertaining space.
I don't know that putting all of our money into leveling that yard is key. This is where my head is. Bring our fence here, okay? Make our backyard bigger.
Then would we still have room to do the double driveway in the budget?
Yes.
The driveway will sell this house. Check.
Yes.
Extra yard space will sell this house.
Check.
Better entertainment space in the backyard will sell this house. Check. After talking to our landscaper, we were able to afford a new fence to expand the backyard, the removal of the big ugly bush in the front yard, and expanding the existing driveway. Even though we couldn't afford to level the front yard, we did find a cost-effective alternative to give the house some more curb appeal by laying down all new sod.
I know. This is gonna be good for you because it's gonna teach you to be patient and just wait till the process is done.
I hate this project.
I know you do. At the end, you're going to love it because what this is gonna do is it's gonna add that style that you like.
Yes.
It's gonna add a uniqueness to this property. It has that kind of Scandinavian look that you're going for.
I have a feeling that this is gonna be one of people's favorite rooms in the house. The appliances have been installed and the team is taking care of last-minute touch-ups. Now we're ready to get it staged to sell.
There's no more trees.
There's no trees.
But this looks
So good. Hello.
I can't wait to get inside and the front and the door.
Yes.
Looks really good.
And we actually made this parking.
And the fence?
Yes.
That's new.
And then painting that to really just
And a new door.
make it pop.
Yep. There you go.
You can look. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
This is not the same house.
Oh.
Wow.
This is incredible.
Oh my gosh. Since it's a smaller home, We wanted to get more seating, adding like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
No.
6, 7 seating
Yeah.
spaces. We wanted to show in this room that you can absolutely entertain.
Wow. Oh. Wow, look at the tile.
Kitchen floor.
So wait, so was there a beam here?
There was that weird little cutout thing. Oh, this is incredible. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh, there's pink.
Yep.
This floor. You painted the floor.
I did.
You painted it.
Yep.
That's really neat. Oh my gosh.
These
These
are
are the cupboards. Yeah.
They're original kitchen cupboards.
Yeah. And I love that you repurpose the cabinets.
So if we did everything else but left this room, a buyer would come in and say, oh, there's still a project to do. But to be able to tie a bow and complete the project was really what we were hoping for.
Yeah.
We turned the larger of the 3 bedrooms into a master. All the bedrooms got a beautiful paint job and new lighting.
What about the bathroom?